Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the dice within the Ludo King game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your Google or your Facebook account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your dice, click on the gear icon at the top left corner and then click on the select button alongside themes. This will then take you into the themes page, from which tap on the dice icon at the top left corner. This will now show you the various different dices that you have unlocked. You can tap on any dice that you wish to set as, and if you have enough points, then you will be able to set this as your dice within your game. You can also spend your real world currency in order to purchase any dice by using your payment method. As you continue winning within the game, you will also unlock more and more dices automatically. And by this method, you will be able to choose your dice. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your dice within the Ludo King game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.